It's all about Jamaica's worst gamer. You deaf with the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S here with another reaction. And today, guys, we're here with Vybz Kartel, Adidja Palmer, Real Boss, Daddy Devil, Teacher, Addy. Yo, too much name. With AR15, the official video. The official video dropped yesterday. I see it, but I just wanted to just react to it today. So, I reacted to the audio track already. I'm gonna leave above my head in one of the videos at the end of the reaction. So make sure you go check that out if you haven't checked it out already. But this is the video, so we have got more focus on the video and not the audio. Alright, so let's jump in and you're the teacher. I say, pick up yourself, teacher.
Pull up! Yo! Pull up! Let's go!
Me a killer and I lick me lippin', bossy me top with a Guinness, everything diminished. Girl, I said them softer than the gillies, everything insipid. 50 cal Mississippi.
How this?
Me a killer and I lick me lippin', bossy me top with a Guinness, everything.
Call it done, stars. Wait, how the artist here? Somebody can tell me what artist here? Have I reacted to a song about it? I think I did. Hold on them, man. Let me search the channel a minute. Hold on there. I'm spelling name.
Me a killer and I lick me lippin', bossy me top with a Guinness, everything.
SKX, okay. Yes, I did react to his song. So, you can go check it out. I did react to his song already. I'm gonna pin that one on Vybz Kartel audio track for this at the end of the video. So yeah, you can go check him out.
Diminish, girl, I said them softer than the gillies, everything insipid. 50 cal Mississippi and them know me wicked. But I saw them like the gillies, everything insipid. 50 cal Mississippi.
Moments after what took place earlier.
And them know me wicked. But I saw them like shit.
Oh, this a car, where was? Yo, daddy. There, man.
You deal with that.
Yeah, man, everything get dirt, man. Everything.
Don't say a word.
Which is right, you say I make a piece of food there,
A piece of food soon reach cross.
I'm fine, no say far. Oh, yeah, the clue.
Don't say a word.
Fully.
I'm out.
Turn that button for.
Okay. Done calling.
Sammy little and I grow up when me know. Son a boy violate one time, dollar kind. Sammy little and I grow up when me know. Son a boy violate one time, dollar kind.
No, but not tell me say at him. Well, I think it is star, so he not gonna get another one, though. Another boy this me. Okay. Laughing at quest time first. Big up quest time.
I grew up when me know. Son a boy violate one time, dollar kind.
I got dirt him.
AR15, silence that about the target screen. Go pick up man and them me call Christine. AFX pull up na the rotted skin. Yo, what touch me a flinging at.
Yo, we have witnessed blood clot.
And them me call Christine. AFX pull up na the rotted skin. Yo, what touch me a flinging at the car windscreen. Shot it up in a face.
Okay, we have to look for kill it.
So the tall clip to him. Eagle up picking me for your did slim. Pussy on the body in your darkest stream. But funny mother did a mix Alex game. And I'm cupcakes and one whipped cream.
So the boss is going to look for the witness then.
But funny mother did a mix Alex game. And I'm cupcakes and one whipped cream. A road we a do a make brawl insane. Skill like Kartel for the charges team.
Look where they are there, brother. And a piece of sheet of zinc. Hot.
Funny mother did a mix Alex game. And I'm cupcakes and one whipped cream. A road we a do a make brawl insane. Skill like Kartel for the charges team. AK with the angle we varnish clean. 2 clip tape over can him spleen. Capital in us get warm with steam. Tell the capital in us start melt. Wickedness. lift up the beast, no bumbo clad beast. Wickedness increase like down a Ukraine, like down a Middle East. Wickedness increase, then African soldier no call no police. Wickedness increase when he gun them rise like sun out of east. Be a chip block, Rick lazy make the key kick back. Shut on like TV, be a big back. All who a tape it fit fi play it back. Me see a little clip a show up on TikTok. Never know say you're so sweet, the key did a clap. The man
buckler, see witness there? And I'm dirt the witness.
me see a little clip a show up on TikTok. Never know say you're so sweet, the key did a clap. The man panny bike, we drop, get up, drop, not.
All a man down there, so I watch him carry. They even business with what go on.
Never know say you're so sweet, the key did a clap. The man panny bike.
Watch how you down here, sir. Watch him be, man. The man even business with what go on. The man does do him thing, brother. See and blind ear and bumbo clad deaf. Binds.
Drop, get up, drop, not one shot catch him catch heart attack. Nobody now run and watch shot a beat hard. I
have to record this. Alright, so you're a recorder, eh? You're a recorder, you pull out camcorder, you pull out VCR, alright?
One shot catch him catch heart attack. Nobody now run and watch shot a beat hard. Everybody take out them phone and record. Me mask pa me face dark like he warlord. Blacks. Everybody take out them phone and record. Me mask pa me face dark like he warlord.
I could bury him just for fun. Alright, watch it now.
Everybody take out them phone and record. Me mask pa me face dark like he warlord. Blacks now.
Yo.
Everybody take out them phone and record. Me mask pa me face dark like he warlord. Blacks now.
Well, me can't catch a party, man. Try catch it. Want something? Want show you something?
Everybody take out them phone and
stop
record. Me mask pa me face dark like he warlord. Blacks.
The actor them. We are do them video. Big up on yourself. No say no for just youth from the streets where amateur and them thing there. A lot of you guys are not professional actors. We know that. Alright? But when you have feature in our music video, like this, of this caliber, Vybz Kartel we are talking about right here. So when you have feature in our music video, please, guys, please put on your acting hat and forward out nice, brother. Look how this youth has lie down in the back with him hand up. Obviously, my strength in him hand. After him get so much rifle shot, you hand them for flap. You hand them for the by your side or by your belly or something. Why you smile and I look up in pan the light in the car back? Why you do that? I don't let them the video them, brother. I have to talk about them something because I see them, I see it too much time now. I'm try to pass it, but I can't pass it. I can't tell you what I talk about, you know. I don't do better than that, man. Come on.
No mask, everybody see the dog.
Come on.
Jump on the RR, if it and brass. Sexy no unmarked, no make no car pass. Pull up on the gas and no kill and no last. Take away we self quick and fast, no blood clot. Wickedness increase when we lift up the beast, no bumbo clad beast. Wickedness increase like
very shallow gripping.
Wickedness increase, then African soldier no call no police. Wickedness increase when he gun them rise like sun out of east. Wickedness increase when we lift up the beast, no bumbo.
I saw if you're looking at care back too.
Wickedness increase like down a Ukraine, like down a Middle East. Wickedness increase, then African soldier no call no police. Wickedness increase when he gun them rise like sun out of east.
Bad young artist to Scotland, big up yourself. You did a great job in the video. Gaza, the G say. Yeah, fully bumbleclad Gaza. They say that. I saw you for then and carry back and check out with no life in your body. I saw you for looking like carry back, my G.
Yes, not yes, father.
I say you make go Vybz 2 song, man say you kill boy and make hits. Like the music video, say like the music video, nice little story behind it and thing. But the actors them need to take the thing them serious, brother. The actors them need to take the thing serious because I know say only now do this for free and I know say una get a little thing in our pocket same in the dog. So if you can't manage the work, bro, give to somebody else who can manage it, dog. And the cast them we do them video, you need to make sure say you vet out the correct characters them who can actually play the role properly and play it good. You see me? I've seen some amazing videos out there where people play the role properly. That one kind of let me down with the witness. You see me? The first youth will get shot, him do him thing. Everybody else do them thing apart from the witness. Witness, you need to start at yourself. Just in a one little part, see, that's just me. Them thing them I go see. And if me see me, I go talk about it, because I react to the video. You understand? Like I said, I wasn't focusing on the music and the audio itself, because I'll link there above my head in any second now. But what one needs to do as actors in these videos, one needs to play on a role and play it properly. You see me? Yes. So that means, so one time on play on a role properly in a one video, other people will see you know and want to go on our next role in our next video. You understand? So on our broaden on the scope, brother. You see me? Your network. You see me? Your job I go speak for yourself. Your work where you're doing in one video I go speak for yourself in our next video. You understand what I say? So yeah, now bash your G, now bash your. Just take the thing serious. And that is just a general statement anyway. But this is where I'm gonna leave that one still. Enjoy that one I want to see more. Leave a like on the video. Subscribe around there if you new and click on any one of them two videos. You're gonna see Scully Dan and you're gonna see Vybz Kartel, the audio track AR15. Alright? Peace.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf with the baddest. And it's a rock on earth.